Shiva Adi Madana Shiva Adi Madana Jogata Jogi Shiva Kanaka Vishami Adi Vishaya Bhogi Shiva Adi Madana Shiva Adi.
Namaste. Thank you for tuning in and listening. I'd like to invite you to join us for this upcoming online Dhrupad workshop. In the workshop, we'll begin by looking at basic fundamental practices of Dhrupad, and over the course of the 5 weekends, we'll look at various aspects of singing this wonderful musical system. After the workshop, you'll also be able to take away some wonderful practice modules and frameworks that you can continue to engage with and deepen your musical journey. I'm really looking forward to conducting this workshop with my very good friend and brilliant musician, Dhani Gundecha.
All right, see you all on 26th Feb. Bye.